It's funny how you can spend your whole life kind of resenting a place. Maybe it's because it's too cold or too boring. Maybe it's because that's the place you've been hurt the most, experienced the most loss. Whatever the reason, I have seen how all of this lack of appreciation for a place can change in an instant. I have experienced the bitterness that follows hurt, the staying away because of being burned time and again. And then I have seen redemption come pouring in. God gives His grace in plenty to His kids, and the eyes to see the gift before you. He gives the ability to forget the past and look to what lies ahead. And for the first time, you can actually see. It's amazing what His love has the power to do. No corner is too dark. When the power of God through Christ comes in, He sets the rooms of your heart in order, sweeps it clean. And it's literally like you're a new person with new eyes and a new heart and a new ability to appreciate what you once may have resented. I used to look at this place and have a hard time feeling good about it. Many of my own bad decisions were made right here in this very landscape. There was hurt and there was loss. But as I mature in Christ, He is helping me see things differently. This place is beautiful. This place has helped to shape me. Many good and wonderful things have happened here. I don't have to dwell on the unideal past. Christ has already taken care of all of that. And as a believer, I can resolve to reflect and remember all of the mercy and grace He has given me. Past, present, and future grace. Because I honestly believe I wouldn't be who I am today without having been born here and spending much of my life in this very spot. In large part, our history, our homes, our upbringing make us who we are, and that's a beautiful thing. And God uses it to make us unique. He uses it for our good and for His glory. Isn't that wonderful? I certainly think so. I won't resent this place anymore. How could I? Look at the beauty. These days I rest my head here, knowing that it all belongs to Him, both past, present, and future.